Now, I'm going to request our ever smiling chef Izzat Hussain. Whichever photograph we see of him, he's always smiling, and we love that smile. Chef Hussain is known for taking up the cuisine across the globe. He's a food enthusiast working hard for several years to search and revive authentic recipes of Mughlai, Avdi, and Lucknowi cuisine. He has learned the cooking techniques and procedures from old cooks, housewives, and foodies of royal families. For office few specialities are Mughal, Murg, Mewaza. The chef, I would like to know about this thing, Kadhai Gosht, and Kebab Makmali. So, chef, the stage is yours. Please, would like to hear from your side.
Thank you very much, Sunil, and you are hosting very well. And one thing I would like to
Thank you
request
so
you,
much.
please pronounce my name properly. It's Izzat Hussain, and Izzat, I think everybody loves to the Izzat.
Oh, Izzat Hussain, you done, chef? It will be taken care of.
Yes. I think you love the Izzat, and everybody who are on the board, they are living to the Izzat Hussain. And thank you very much for my introduction also. This is the Teachers' Day. It was the Teacher Day last day, and we are observing this Teacher Day next day. And thank you very much to WCCF who are recognizing us as a teacher and holding this program for us to giving thanks. So it is very good to. I would like to thanks to Mr. Harish Rawat, Mr. Jitendra, and you and my elder brother, younger brother, Mr. Pandey, Devashish Pandey, who are working hard for last many years. So I would like to say thanks to all my colleagues and Chef. You can say that Sudhir Andrew sir, and thank you. My regards to you and Sylvester Rosaria and Chef, my president of ICF, Chef Devendra Singh. And I firstly saw Mr. Daya Shankar, who's speaking from the London, and other who are going to be speak after me. So, what is the teacher? I just want to say that a teacher is a person who is sharing his knowledge to with their students in a minutes, whatever they are learning in the many years. है ना, जो मैंने कबाब पकाना 10 साल 15 साल में सीखा है, तो वो मैं 2 मिनट में या 2 घंटे की क्लास के अंदर उनको सिखाना चाहता हूँ. तो सबसे बड़ा जो अचीवमेंट होता है टीचर का वो ये होता है, और इसको अप्रिशिएट करना और इसको जो है उसको मार्क्स करना, इट्स मतलब वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन इन द वर्ड्स. So salute to all the teachers who are working hard to teach their students. And one thing I would like, my small tip to the students, okay, please go through and whatever you want to learn, go with the basics. इस वक्त क्या हो रहा है, मतलब whatever I am feeling, कि मतलब people are, मतलब the students, they are just chef, give me the recipe. Then what is the recipe? Go with the basics. Why we are putting oil? Why we are using ghee? Why we are using butter? Why we are using all the ingredients? So, matlab, it is very important to know about the ingredients, whatever you are putting in your dish. Number one, this is the tip to my students, and as well as to my colleagues, teacher who are my senior also. So, you people are giving, sharing your knowledge with them. So, you are very honest with them. So, try to understand as student. See, everyone is not having a very same level of understanding. So, please try to understand your student and give them extra classes and whatever they want and whatever they need. So, thank you very much. This my last word is to say again, thanks to WCCF and its all office bearers and all my colleague chefs, especially to my president Devendra Singh, Sudhir Andrew sir. I have got a chance to meet him in ICF and all of you, and whatever the Mr. Pasim and who are all going to be speak after me. Thank you so much to all of you.
Please request our guest of the day, Chef Vinod Bhatti, the treasurer for ICF, and must be a very positive person, and you must learn from him how to say no with a smile. I remember this from the event. Chef, please take up the stage and share his knowledge on the appreciation ceremony being organized by WCCF.
So a very good morning to all. and the respected guest present in this session, Shri Sudhir Andrews ji, ICF President Chef Devinder Kumar, and Izzat Hussain ji,
Thank you.
Daya Shankar ji, and the Presidium of the WCCF. And a special thank to Chef Sylvester Rosario and Pankaj Dheer ji, Devashish ji. So this is a platform which has brought together all the teachers to honor the teachers. And I personally feel, and what I have heard from the dignitaries, and so all of us agree that teachers are compared with God. And I would just like to recite a doha of Kabir ji. Guru Govind dono khade काके लागू पाओ बलिहारी गुरु आपनो जो गोविंद दियो मिलाए. So we see teachers from our childhood, like the first teachers are our parents, our siblings, and the people in the family. So those are the people teaching us in the first 5 years of our age, and then later we go to schools and we find more teachers teaching us technically and professionally. So we spend more time with teachers as compared to a family when we come to the school and the professional education. So these are the people who make our life, and we feel proud like whatever we are today. So it's the hard work and the effort of the teachers, those who spend time with us during our childhood, molding us. So we are like a piece of stone which the teachers have carved, and then they have molded us into what we are today. So a big salute to all the teachers, and it's a good initiative of WCCF to honor them, to give them acknowledge their efforts, to celebrate the Teachers' Day. So, teacher is a person who grab all the knowledge and then pass it on. So, I would just quote the wording of Professor Sudhir Andrews, like the life of a candle is compared with a teacher. And similarly, the way Chef Devinder expressed his views on the Guru Sishya Parampara. So, without Guru, there is no Gyan. And for Gyan, we need to have Guru. And I feel the people on this platform and all the teachers across the industry and especially in the food production. So they all are doing a great job, and it's a wonderful thing to honor them, acknowledge their efforts. And I personally see that teachers make planet a better place to live through their teachings. And as students, there are students who make their teachers proud. So we as a student, and I personally feel again that one, the learning is never ending. So you can learn at any point of your age and from anybody. So we learn from everybody who come across with us. We meet people, whether it's a 1-year-old child or maybe a 90-year-old gentleman. So we learn from everybody. But the teaching that we get from institutions, the colleges, the schools, so those are the structured way of learning, and those are always in our mind. So I once again salute all the teachers and the efforts and the hard work that has been done to honor them and to recognize them, to acknowledge their efforts. And it's like the teaching is the education that we get. It's to make a better human being and to make us humble and to specialize us in different fields of the industry. So it could be any specific field. So the teacher guides you, motivates you, inspires you. And that's the reason that we celebrate the Teachers' Day. We honor them and we give it back. And also at the same time, as Dr. Izzat has mentioned, that whatever we learn from the teachers, those who have spent plenty of hours burning their midnight oil to learn and then pass it on in 45 minutes, as Professor Andrews also mentioned. So we, as a learner, as a student, so we also have to pass it on. And when I talk to our industry, so we do a lot of trials, lot of workings and all those things, and then we need to pass it on. And it's not only the skills but also the humbleness, togetherness, creativeness. So there are multiple things that should be passed on to the next generation. And as teachers, I think all the teachers are doing a great job, and keep it up. And also we need to take it forward to the next generation so that the legacy pass on. So with these words, I would like to once again thank the Presidium of WCCF, Mr. Pandey, Mr. Jitender, Chef Sylvester, and all the people involved in creating WCCF and taking it to the next level. And togetherness is the key. That's the success. And with all these learnings and all these tough times, so I believe the brighter days are yet to come, and we need to make planet a better place to live for each and everyone. And food is one thing that unites. So everybody across the planet, all living beings are involved with food. So food unites, border divides. So we all need to be stay together and celebrate and enjoy the thing that we are doing, the hard work. And this particular time, as mentioned by the speakers earlier, so we have to be more agile, and the world is more evolving. So we have to come up with new solutions, new answers, and take it forward for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you very much.